this is Muhammad Yasir Arafat, and today we will be discussing O-Level Physics 5054 and the last topic of chapter number 2, kinetics. The last topic of this chapter is free fall. If you see the animation, here this animation is representing that the boy and the point mass is both are dropping or falling freely, and both of the objects are moving with uniform acceleration. But it happens because the surface of the earth is applying the same amount of force on elephant and the point object to attract itself. So the motion will remain uniform because the force applied by the surface of earth for the attraction will be uniform here. So when the force will be applied is uniform, then the acceleration is produced, and the acceleration is produced due to the presence of gravitational force, which we can be named as gravity. Then that value will give us 10 meter per second square. And now what is terminal velocity? When an object is falling freely, and certainly it attains a constant velocity due to the application of no net forces. By that case, that constant velocity of that body will be taken as the terminal velocity. In this animation, you can see that a man is falling or diving from a helicopter, and it is falling freely. When the weight of a body or gravitational force on the body becomes equal to the force applied by air, and it has no acceleration, by that case it was moving with the uniform speed. And when the object is falling freely through air or liquid and gains uniform motion, can be named as terminal velocity if there is no net force. No net force means that the impact of the all forces will become equal to zero at this case. Thank you for watching me.